Before we get there, let me give you 3 reasons why you should buy this home. Number 1, location, location, location. Today, I'm headed to Orange Gardens in Kissimmee to tour a home that just might be the one you've been waiting for. And before we get there, let me give you 3 reasons why you should buy this home. Number 1, location, location, location. This home sits near Kissimmee Airport and just minutes from downtown Kissimmee. The Sunrail, schools, Plaza del Sol, the Medical Arts District, shopping, dining, and so much more. Number 2, they don't make them like this anymore. No carpet, updated interior, character you simply don't find in newer homes anymore. And number 3, value. At this price point, that's becoming harder and harder to find in Central Florida. So, let's go. All right, so we're here. Before we go inside, let me tell you a little bit about Orange Gardens. This is one of Kissimmee's established communities, so no HOA, no CDD. You're within walking distance of the Oak Street Sports Complex, the post office, supermarkets, restaurants, medical offices, and public transportation. Now, let me give you some specifics about this house, okay? The home is listed at $314,000. And according to public records, it offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, approximately 1,300 square feet. And it was built in 1956. And one of my favorite features, the backyard. We'll get there in a minute. But first, if you're thinking about buying a home in Kissimmee or know someone who is, share this video, please. And when you're ready to start your search, I'd love the opportunity to represent you. After all, there has never been another me, and there never will be. Let's go inside. One of the best things about this home is the fact that it has so much natural light coming in. So, it's beautiful. A lot of space here in the social area. Here's the kitchen. It needs TLC. Yes. It's not original, but it does need TLC. This would be your dining area, laundry room. And let me take you to the main bedroom. So this is the main bedroom, and this is the bathroom. As I mentioned before, it needs TLC. Now let's go to my favorite part, the backyard. Yes, I know it needs a little love, but I want you to look past the fact that it has overgrown grass and there's some stuff that should be thrown out. But look at the space. It has a lot of space, okay? And here you can have a really nice outdoor living space to entertain, to possibly plant an edible garden. I know I keep saying that. That's what I want to do with my backyard, all right? So I'm sharing. Maybe, I don't know, an outdoor yoga space for you to just do yoga or meditate. You have the space. You just need to, all right, I'm going to give you a few options of what you could do with this space, okay? I'm going to ask our friend Chat to give us some options, okay? So you have entrance through here, and that tea you see over there, it's to hang your clothes. Like, it was popular back in the day, okay? So that's it. Let's go back inside under the cool air because, Jesus. Okay, another quick look. I think this is one of the best parts about the home. All right, that was the quick tour. Yes, I know I'm missing a few areas, but hear me out. I want you to come and see it if you're interested. Come and see it in person. See if it speaks to you, okay? Now, let's answer the question many buyers are probably wondering. Why hasn't this home sold? And maybe, just maybe, this home has been waiting for you. So let me give you my reasons. The first reason could be that it doesn't have a garage or a carport. For some buyers, that's a deal breaker. But the backyard offers plenty of room for additional storage, a shed, or future improvement. Second, there is no front neighbors. Some buyers love the added openness. Others prefer traditional homes facing other houses. Third, competition. New construction builders are offering incentives and shiny, no finishes. But here's the thing. Most single-family homes aren't competing at this price point, not in this area. Now, while new construction homes may offer lower maintenance, this home offers something many buyers are looking for: affordability and location. And if you're curious about how I would structure a strong offer for a home like this, let's talk over coffee. I'll be happy to walk you through it. Now, here are a couple of other things that I think are affecting why this home hasn't sold yet. And that is TLC throughout the home and the parking, since there is no garage or carport and there's no complete driveway. I think that is another reason why the home hasn't sold. Now, before we finish, I want to talk about something bigger than this house. A lot of people dream about buying a home, their first home, their next home, their investment property. But then the what ifs show up. What if I don't qualify? What if the payments are too high? What if I lose my job? What if something goes wrong? And before you know it, they've talked themselves out of even trying. But what if it works out? What if you qualify? What if the payments are manageable? What if you get promoted at work? Or better yet, you get a better paying job? What if this home becomes the stepping stone to something even bigger? Every situation has two possible stories, the one driven by fear and the other one by possibility. The question is, which one are you feeding? Set your intention. Trust yourself. Know that no matter what happens, you'll figure it out. And remember this phrase, everything works out in my favor. Say it with me. Everything works out in my favor. I can't hear you. Say it with me. Everything works out in my favor. So whether this home is for you or not, call me, text me, send me a message. Because if this isn't your home, I'm confident we can find you the one that is. This is Judy Hernandez, the original Kissimmee Realtor, and don't go anywhere and watch the video YouTube just for you. Till next time.